Hi, this quick tutorial will show you around the guard screen for Gatekey Plus. When you first log on, you'll be presented with a login screen, and then once you log in, you'll be able to see this main screen. And this is the home screen, and you'll be able to search for anything you want to up here in the upper left-hand side. If you want to narrow your search to limit it to addresses or contacts or information or residents or vehicles or visitors. But let's say we want to search for everything. We're just going to type in 101 as part of an address. And it's going to show us that it's a lot, that it's also on 101 Golf Lane and 101 Happy Association Way. And also a 101 is located in a phone number. So we're going to select the 101 Happy Association Road. This brings us to the resident and address list. If you have a barcode pass and you're using the optional barcode scanner, you simply tap that and scan the pass in for access. In the blue section is information about the residents. All the residents are listed on this area right here. To access the PIN information, which is a calling code, tap that. For information of health information, pet information, emergency contact, notes that the manager have left and the notes for the residents have left for the guard, you can access here. More on notes later. Vehicle information is stored here under the vehicle icon. And this is the contact information listing the phone numbers that the residents have assigned. Please note that each resident can have its own set of phone numbers. So if Oscar here has its own unique phone numbers, and Sally and Fred and Mary, they can all list separate ones. Down below in red, this area here are notes. So these can be notes from the manager, which are in red, and then also notes from respective residents. So this note is from Fred and Mary Johnson, and this note here is from Oscar Weinberg. As you see, that they're listed as separate residents of the property. So make sure you take a note of it when you're accessing their accounts. Over on the right hand side, the visitor information is here. It lists all of the visitors that are permitted access, and in some case, like this, in this instance here, the resident is denied, so you're not able to let them in. So Ralph is not allowed in for this address, and all you can really do is deny them. The rest of them, this shows that if it's in green, it's a permanent guest. If it's in blue, it's a temporary guest. Then we also have denied in red, and in the event that they're having a party or other type of special event, the guest will appear in purple. And you can also see the start and end dates for the guests, as well as the start and end times that the guests are allowed. If you need to edit a guest, simply click on the guest, and you need to edit it, click Edit to change the time or days or anything else that needs to be done. I'm just going to cancel out of that and then close. If you need to let in a guest, if you already have the pass type and driver's license, you can admit them, or over here you can admit them and print. Also, if you want to scan information in, you click that, and then you can rescan the driver's license, you can rescan the personal vehicle cam, as long as you have the optional both the driver's license camera and the vehicle camera. And you can also store the driver's license information about the guests as well. And in some cases, guards are able to delete guests. In some cases, they are not. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. That's about it for this introductory video. Any questions, please email support@gatekey.com. Thank you.